Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I will show you how to quickly turn off your location on Instagram using the latest app settings. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right to open your menu. Select Settings and Activity from the list. Scroll down the page until you find the section called Device Permissions and tap on it. Then tap on Location Services. You will see an option to update device settings. Tap that button and it will automatically open your phone system settings for Instagram. Open the location settings here, and under the Allow Location Access options, simply select Don't Allow. That is all it takes. You have now successfully turned off Instagram's access to your location. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching.